Okay, so on this question we need to calculate the size of OAB, and there are two ways that you can choose to do this. So I'm going to show you both ways. So the first way I'll do down this side, and that would be using the fact that all the exterior angles, which I can draw on now, add up to 360. So if we added together all these angles around the outside, these exterior angles, they add up to 360. And because this is a regular octagon, all of these are going to be the same, so we can work out what each of these angles are going to be by dividing 360 between the 8 exterior angles. When we do that, that's going to give us 45 degrees. So we could label each of these exterior angles as 45 degrees. That then helps us to work out the interior angles, which are also all going to be the same because it's a regular octagon. And we know that interior and exterior angles add up to 180. So to work out what each of those angles are going to be, we can just subtract 45 from 180, which is going to give us 135. So each of these angles inside are going to be 135 degrees, including this big one here. And it's been split in half, so just to work out what each part is, we divide the 135 by 2, which means that the angle is going to be 67.5 degrees, and so we have to say that OAB, the angle is 67.5 degrees. The other way that you can choose to do this is by splitting it up into triangles. So you can see how many triangles fit in. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles, and all the triangles each have 180 degrees in. So we can work out what all the angles add up to in the shape by multiplying 180 by 6, which is going to give us 1080, which is telling us that all the angles in here add up to 1080. We know that they're all the same, so we can now share this out between all the angles, dividing it by 8, which is going to tell us that each of the angles, when we share it out, is 135 degrees, just like we got over here. And then again we divide it by 2, which is telling us that the angle is 67.5 degrees. And then again we'd have to say angle OAB is equal to 67.5 degrees. But it's quite important that you draw stuff on the diagram, because that can sometimes get you marks as well.